So, welcome to Techno Talent. Today in this video I'm going to talk about a utility which is really awesome and that comes in very handy, especially when we are dealing with key and certificates. I mean digital certificate here. And by end of this video you will be able to answer the followings. What are the certificate? What are the different keys? What is certificate chain? How to examine the key files, how to install Key Store Explorer, and how to use it finally. Let's move on. To download this file we need to go to keystore-explorer.org. as you can see it here. This page is a home page of Key Store Explorer, and we have download links available. As we can see, we have three different kind of distribution available. One is for Windows installation and Mac OS installation, and last but not the least we have manual installation, which we can use the command Java and run it. So let's go ahead and download for the Windows. I have already downloaded it, so let's go here and run the installation. The installation is very straightforward. These are the different kind of files which are generally associated with certificates and key stores. Some of the famous one are .jks, pfx, and .uber. Let me click next, and it is going to install here. I have already installed it, so I'm not going to install it again. Let me just open this. So for the first time the tip of the day comes. You depend on your preference, you may leave this, as it is going to give you some really usable advices. You see the dashboard for this software is really clean. Let's go to the file menu, and you have very limited options here, by the way, but those are more than enough. Move to the edit is having just rendered options. Let's go to the views, nothing much. Tools, generate key pair, generate secret key, import trusted certificate, and lot of other things. We'll check examine. This is really useful, especially when you come across a file that you are never able to understand, and you want to see what this file is all about. You can just go to this option, examine file, and pick one file, and it will tell you what this file is about. Whether it is a key file, whether it's a key store, or it's a SSL file, or it's a PEM file. It will tell all that because it examines the content. You have 6 options available here. Create a new key store, open an existing key store, and examine certificate. Let's go and create a new key store here. Go to the file, new, and when you create new key store you need to define a type. For now I'm going to go with JKS. So what is key store? Let's talk about that. Key store is nothing but a store that is going to house all private public keys and also certificates. So without anything, this key store is useless. So that's why when we created a key store, it is not asking us for the name as well. When we add certificate here and when we save this, it will ask for a name for this key store, and also it will ask for a passphrase that locks this key store for protection. Here you have different options. I'll create on generate key pair. I am choosing a default algorithm, which is RSA, and the key size is 2048, which looks fine to me. Alright, in the name I'll give my name. or maybe the channel name is better. You need to give the alias so that it will try to find certificate in this key store in future using this alias. Here it is asking for a password. This password is for the key store. To open a key store you need a password. This is that password. Let's enter that password. Key pair is successfully generated. Let me save this. Okay, we will keep it in the downloads. My key store.jks. Okay, this is generated. Let's look at the details. Certificate chain details. Because this is a self-signed certificate, so there is no certification hierarchy here. If you look at any certificate which is issued by certification authority, all the details of that certification authority or intermediate certification authority will be available here. Cool. If you want to export, you can export, and if you want to pay more attention to the details here, you can. Okay, right click, you can generate a certificate signing request from here. You can edit the certification chain, append or remove the certificate. You can export the public and private keys from here. So this is about the tool. I hope you now know that what this tool is about and how it is going to help us in dealing with certificate and keys. Thank you. Let's see how we can examine the type of certificate. Let me go to the examine here, click on the examine file, and I have certificate.cer and my key store here. Choosing the first certificate and open. Now these are all the details of the certificate. Let me try again, and this time I'm going to pick a file which has no extension, because sometime we may come across a file which is having no extension and we are left with no option to try and find out what this file is. So let me pick one. Sample is one such file. Unlock key store for sample. Okay, so I think it got it because it is the same file that we created long for this exercise. Let me go again, and I'll pick one certificate from here. It can simply make out that this is a certificate which is issued by the GeoTrust Global, and let's look at the extensions here. This is the issuer. This is the root authority certificate. These are the details of that certificate. So this examine is really useful. Detect file type. Right now we don't have any extension for sample, I'm choosing sample and clicking on detect type. It says file sample is of type JKS key store. So now we know that this key store was created uh, as JKS type, and this is a key store type, so that we can actually deal with this key store using Java tools commands. Thank you. I hope you found this tutorial very useful and this tool particularly. If you like the explanation and this video tutorial, please click on like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.